Ground, bonding, nitrogen purge, etc. have been constantly made to discharge static electricity, but only a part of static electricity generated during the process has been discharged. And industrial sites are constantly making efforts to remove static electricity, which is the ignition source during the process, but there is no fundamental solution. The electrostatic removal system of ESGK is a system that detects static electricity generated during the process in the industrial field and discharges static electricity using it. It can be applied to equipment during the process to automatically remove static electricity when high voltage static electricity is generated, and conductivity gas, which can increase electrical conductivity, can be used to remove static electricity during the process. You can monitor it in real time and control the removal of static electricity system in the control room. It can be customized according to the standard of process and facility. It has a patent for removal of static electricity systems to make customers reliable and can be installed everywhere in industrial sites and explosion-proof areas.